Hi everybody, Sean here with Monorail Central. In today's video, we got a unique look at the Disneyland Hotel's Blue Sky Suite. Now for those who do not know, the Blue Sky Suite was originally an apartment built into the Fantasy Tower at the Disneyland Hotel by Jack and Bonita Wrather as a place to stay while they were visiting the Disneyland Hotel, similar to how Walt Disney had his apartment in the Disneyland Firehouse. Jack and Bonita Wrather, of course, being of the Wrather Corporation, which is the entity that owned the Disneyland Hotel up until the Walt Disney Company purchased it in the late 80s. Now, the Blue Sky Suite, as you can probably tell, has a lot of Disney concept art built in. Blue sky is the term that Disney uses when they're in the developmental stages of production for attractions or other projects. Other decor and furniture is also very mid-century modern themed. Now, despite this space originally being designed to accommodate Jack and Bonita Wrather, it is not currently used as a guest room. It is currently able to be booked as a meeting space through Disney programs and events. Now, even though this room is primarily used for events and meeting space, every once in a while, the Disneyland Hotel will assign 2 guests to this room in the event of overbookings, special events, or just pixie dust magic. The room is capable of sleeping up to 2 guests. There is a hidden bed in this room, which I will show you in a little bit, but the room is not able to be booked over the phone or on Disney's website. It is specifically given out at the discretion of the Disneyland Hotel. There are a total of 3 bathrooms within the Blue Sky Suite. There's also a kitchen and a wet bar where servers can serve drinks during one of your events. And this room also has the only open atrium balcony at the Disneyland Hotel. There is no covering in this outdoor space here. This patio space is also 100% private. Guests down at the pool cannot look in, and you also have a gorgeous view over the entirety of the Disneyland Resort property. You have the E-ticket and D-ticket pools and the monorail slide, and this atrium also opens into another meeting space here, which is where you're also going to find the hidden bed. The bed in the Blue Sky Suite is built into that back wall. Right over there, you can see on either side there are handles to pull down. It is a king-size Murphy-style bed. The only king-size Murphy-style bed at any Disney-owned resort in North America. You do have pull-out refrigerators on either side of this bed here. And then you also have the in-room phone. For those who are curious, the Blue Sky Suite is room 2920. And then up these stairs this way is going to lead to the second bathroom. This is a gorgeous bathroom space. It has a dual vanity sink with lotion and soap. In the back you have this giant steam shower with enough room to fit everybody in your meeting for some real corporate synergy. And then all of the toilets in these rooms come with these electronic bidet systems with dryers built in, which really comes in handy because Disney stocks this with their one-ply toilet paper. There's also this huge concept art of Walt Disney's original concept for Epcot Center overlooking the freestanding bathtub. And then you also have a skylight in this bathroom for natural light. And then another thing to note is that the entire room is controlled by this ancient iPad that can turn on and off speakers, control the lights, and control the shades throughout the entire room. And that, everybody, is the Blue Sky Suite at the Disneyland Hotel. We were fortunate enough to visit this suite during our Disneyland Hotel walking tour, which is a free tour that's offered once a week, every week, and can be booked via the front desk of either 3 Disneyland Resort hotels. It is important to know that if you do take this tour, you are not guaranteed access to this suite. They tried to take us into one of the themed suites that you can actually book, like the Adventureland suite and the Frontier suite, but none of those were available, so we were able to take a tour of this non-bookable suite. If you're looking for some walkthroughs of some Disney resorts that you can book, we do have a playlist on the channel of Disney resort rooms that we have stayed in. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central for more Disneyland, Walt Disney World, Disney Cruise Line, and Disney Vacation Club content, as well as more Walt Disney World Monorail project. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.